Welcome back. Denver Health has played a crucial part in the Denver community for more than 160 years. And this weekend, they're getting ready to host a fun community event that's for a good cause.
Yeah, the Trauma Survivors Fun Run. It's May 10th. It's going to have food trucks, vendors, so much more. All the fun is to support individuals who have been through traumatic injuries. Earlier in this sponsored segment, Leanne Allen and Christine Hoffman with Denver Health joined us to tell us about it. So first off, registration for the Fun Run is now open. How can people get involved?
It is open, yes. So you can head to Denver Health Orthopedics, and on our homepage there is a link to register. You can register. It is free, so very excited for everyone to sign up.
So can you share for us, like, why is it so important to stand by them, not just in those critical early moments, but throughout the whole process?
Yeah. Traumatic injuries can be difficult for families, friends, everyone in a community, and we never know whether it's going to be an individual, your family member, so having that support, it can be crucial both for getting through the experience as well as improving return to their environment and their regular activities and lifestyle.
Daily life.
Yeah, it's important. I mean, not just for the person going through it, but like you said, their family, close friends, and the community in general.
Yeah.
For sure.
Mm-hmm. What kind of trail can we expect, and is it wheelchair accessible?
Yes, so the trail is at Berkeley Lake. The trail is paved. There are some areas of packed rock, but it is wheelchair accessible. Accessible for all dogs, humans.
Good.
We're
so you can bring your dogs?
Everyone there. You can,
oh,
yes.
Nice.
Encouraged.
You bring the dogs, Denise?
Yeah, I have 3, so I might bring my little one.
Just bring all 3 and get a little skateboard.
There you go. I know, definitely.
That's what happens.
Exactly. Well, Denver Health treats everything from routine to serious traumatic injuries. Can you tell us about some of the more common orthopedic injuries that your team sees?
Yeah, we're in the Department of Orthopedics. We're foot and ankle. I'm the chief of podiatry. Leanne's one of our residents. We have a residency program, so we see a lot of congenital deformities, bunions, hammer toes, ankle injuries, ankle sprains, fractures, overuse injuries with athletes, and then traumatic injuries that Denver Health is known for.
I would be embarrassed for her to see my feet. So the bunions and the hammer toes. It's hammer time. Every time I walk barefoot, it's so embarrassing. So Denver Health, your Denver Certified Orthopedic Center of Excellence. What does that mean, the designation?
Mm-hmm. It's we meet criteria for continuous improvement following our outcomes. We follow Foot and Ankle Society, total joint replacement. They have really high criteria, so we continue to follow our outcomes. Just leads to a process of continual improvement.
So I like all these things that you're bringing up, very serious stuff, but let's get back to the event, because it kind of makes people, when you're going through something traumatic, you want to smile, you want to laugh, at least that's my first inclination. How about for you guys? Does this get more people involved on a different level?
This is super fun for us because, we see a lot of our patients in the hospital setting, in that traumatic setting, and then this is a fun way to really bring the community around these people and celebrate their successes, celebrate their healing, and so we get to bring the community together to do that with these patients, and that's just part of the healing process, is getting your community around you as you progress after traumatic events like this.
Tell me more about the day, what we can expect. What time should we get there? Is there going to be people greeting us?
Yeah, so there's it's early registration. I have to check on the time. They have in the morning pick up for t-shirts. There's a lot of different vendors available. Everyone lines up. There are some people who speak beforehand, trauma survivors as well as providers. Then throughout the event, there's a lot of support staff around the course, which is a lot of our hospital staff. So it's great for trauma survivors as well as the people who take care of trauma patients to get to connect with coworkers in this fun environment. There's bubbles, there's colored chalk, there's foot costume. Leanne is notorious for doing it every year in the foot costume. We got to represent for the foot and ankle surgeons. And so it's just a really good group. There's kids, there's dogs. There's,
What kind of costumes do you put on your feet?
Oh, no, this is
a giant
foot.
Oh, I was like, you're putting costumes on your feet? A foot costume? That's what I thought they were saying.
No, it's a giant foot.
All right, coming on, you guys. I really appreciate it. Let's give more information. The Denver Health Trauma Survivors Fun Run is happening Saturday, May 10th at Berkeley Lake Park in Denver. Now, the fun starts at 8 a.m. and it goes through 11 a.m. Of course, there's going to be a swag bag giveaway, food trucks, vendors, and so much more. If you'd like to sign up or learn more about the Denver Health Orthopedics, go to denverhealth.org/orthopedics. Thanks again to Denver Health for sponsoring this segment. And I say, hey, bedazzle the heck out of your shoes. Go ahead.
I know,
and dress up.
That's right.
gives a new idea for sure.
Celebrate those bunions.
Yeah.
That's right.